Class 10 Science. The lesson is our environment, energy flow in the ecosystem. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today I will talk to you about the chapter 5, and that is the part 1. Let us start in this chapter what will be happen in our environment. So there is a field, and in this field we are digging a 1 meter square plant area. Whenever digging we get some food chain or food web, you can see. So in this the insects are also, the plants are also, and the soil are mixed, and the some bacteria are in the soil are also present. You can see so many things are in this area. So there is a web page and web food chain is also here. So let us see what will be happen in the next meaning of an ecosystem. What is an your ecosystem? So it is the meaning and it is the question also. The word ecosystem was first used in the year 1935. An environmentist that named that is the A.G. Tansley. A.G. Tansley who discovered this one and give the sub definition. So that is the, according to him, the interrelationship of the biotic and abiotic. Biotic those things which are the livings, abiotic those things which are non-living components in an environment forms a system. They form a system, and that system is called as ecosystem. And in this system continuous change of nutrients energy, always they change the nutrients energy. Thus the study of interrelationship based mainly on exchange of nutrients and energy between biotic and abiotic components is the study of an environmental system, or in short it is called as ecosystem. Environmental system and ecosystem both are the same, as you know, both words same, and that is the ecosystem. When biotic and abiotic, biotic means living things and abiotic is non-living things. Always remember these things is biotic, and that is the living things in which the bacteria and human and also the living plants are coming in this. And the abiotic, these are the non-living plants, that is the wood, dry wood, and the stones and the other subsoils. These are the abiotic components in our environments, and both are combined together, they form ecosystem. And it is the definition of this scientist, that is the A.G. Tansley. So always remember this name is very important, and see the picture of this. So ecosystem is the definition is given here. It is the definition of ecosystem. So you have to learn this one definition. Ecosystem is an arrangement or system made up of complete coordination of all biotic and abiotic components of the environment. So you have to learn this definition very well by heart. So let us see what will be happen in this field. इस फील्ड में एक फार्मर जो है डगिंग कर रहा है, पूरी खेती करने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहा है. बट आवर क्वेश्चन इज the ecosystem, how can form a ecosystem and how can form a chain in this field. Of that chain is that is the food chain and the food web, both are how can form this one. So let us discuss about this. There is nothing seeing, but there is something and the large number of things here. So we can discuss about this ecosystem. What is the ecosystem? There is some water is here, some plants are growing here, and some insects are hidden here, they eat the plants, and also so they are changing the system of this. So let us see the food web. As you know, food chain are the series of the eating plants and eating sub animals. So those were which is the first consumers, and that is the first, that is the plants, they make their own food. So they are called as autotrophs. So the autotrophs are eating by the rabbit, and rabbit eating by the fox. So this is the food chain. It is food chain. It is the one food chain, and the second food chain, that is the plant which is eaten by the squirrel and squirrel is eaten by the fox. So that is the second food, and this type of so many foods chain are given here. It is, you can see here the, and it is here, and it is here, so many food chains, and whenever the number of food chains combined together, they form web, food web. So you can know it is the food web, and as you have to see in the next page, this one, it is the food chain. So this one is the food chain. So you can say this one is the rice plant, it is the very large number, and it is the very less number, that is the rats, they are eating the plants. And there are very less number, that is the snakes, and the 50 snakes to eating these rats, and the 5 havocs, and havocs are eating to snakes also. So this chain is called as food chain. So the number of food chains making like this, they form a food web. So always remember the food web and the what is the relationship between food chain and food web. I think so. You can see here fish. Fish are eating some insects and the plants also, and then the fish are eaten by the other birds and the human bodies also, and the fox one also, and the some snakes are though, and then that is the going this type of also the herbivorous insects are there, and these insects are eaten by the snakes. And the here is these herbivorous snakes are eating by the carnivorous insects, and the carnivorous insects are eaten by the frog, and frog eaten by the snakes. So that is the food chain. So like this, insects are also eating by the birds, so it is also a food chain, and these birds are eaten by the owl. Okay, now come to this one. Fish are also eaten by the man, and these rabbits are also eaten by the man, and it is the that person, that means the humans can eat this one also, the birds are also, and these animals are also. So this is the food chain, and all the food chains are combined together, they form food web. I think it is clear that what is the food web and what is the food chain. So this is the rat is eating to plants, and also rat is eating by the owl, and rat is also eaten by the fox. So it is the food chain, and these food chains are combined together, then form a food web. I think you can understood this one. So first of all, I want to tell you the ecosystem and trophic level. What is the relationship between the ecosystem and the trophic levels? Let us see here. Producer who make their own food, that is called as producer, and it is the first trophic level. So always remember it is the first trophic level. And which one? Those were whose make their own food, like the plants, they make their own food, so that's why they are called as first trophic level or producers. Now primary consumers, those were who eat the producers, so that is the second trophic level. Those animals which eat the predecessor, that means plant, and it is also called as herbivorous. शाकाहारी बोलते हैं इनको, हार्बीवोरस को. सो दे ईट द प्रोडेसेसर, यानी ऑटोट्रॉप्स को, जो अपना फूड स्वयं बनाते हैं, उनको ये लोग ईटिंग वाले खाते हैं. नाउ लेट अस सी द सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर्स. सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर्स हु वर दोस वर जो ईट्स द प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स, दैट मीन्स द कार्निवोरस. So carnivorous, they eat the primary consumers, and that is the third trophic level. It is the third trophic level. Now the tertiary consumers, that means top carnivorous. In this, that is the top carnivorous. They are the lion, tigers. They are the, and that is the fourth trophic level. So these are the top four trophic levels. Now the quaternary, usually also top consumers. They are the fully top, and that is the fifth trophic levels. They are eating dead bodies also. In this chain, though, they are eating the dead bodies, and that is called as the fifth trophic level. So these are the levels in our ecosystem. Ecosystem में ये सारे levels हैं जो आपको learn करने पड़ेंगे by heart. So always remember, first one is those one who making their own food, that is the producer, and those were eaten to producers, that is called as primary consumers. they are herbivorous, and the secondary consumer they eat the primary consumers, that means the carnivorous, and the carnivorous eaten by the tertiary consumers, that is the top carnivorous, and that is the third trophic level, and this one is fourth trophic level. So these type of levels are divided into how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is the 5 trophic level, so always remember by the heart, so you can learn very easy. Now let us see the next one. Let us see some questions. You are always wants to the questions, so let us see how the question solved. First of all, choose the right option. There are about 2234 insects and the 56 birds and 3 snakes on a mango tree. ये सारे के सारे mango tree पे हैं. The pyramid of the energy would be which type of energy? That is the state energy. So you can write the first option correct, that is the state energy. Now come to the second. What will be second? You can see here fungi started growing on a moist piece of bread. मतलब bread के piece पे ये grow होते हैं. Fungus left in the open, जब खुले में छोड़ दिया जाता है इनको. After some time some insects like housefly, मक्खी जिसको बोलते हैं वो उस पर बैठना शुरू करती है. वेयर सीन देयर एंड द ऑर्गेनिज्म एट द लास्ट ट्रॉफिक लेवल वुड बी, बताना है लास्ट ट्रॉफिक लेवल कौन होगा. सो दैट इज द हाउस फ्लाई. सो यू कैन टिक ऑन द सी ऑप्शन. फूड इज नॉट, ब्रेड इज नॉट एंड नन ऑफ दिस, इट इज द रॉन्ग आंसर. सो दैट वन इज हाउस फ्लाई, दैट इज द लास्ट ट्रॉफिक लेवल. नाउ कम टू द थर्ड. देयर आर 3 स्टेजेस इन द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ एन इंसेक्ट. Egg, first one is egg, then larva, then pupa and then adult. If the stage of egg, this stage larva and pupa are completely in the body, अगर ये body के अंदर ही हो of a particular organism, then the insect's life cycle is completed in how many ecosystem? कितने इकोसिस्टम में कंप्लीट होगी? सो दैट इज द 2 इकोसिस्टम, ओनली 2 में ही समाप्त हो जाएगी ये. नाउ कम टू द फोर्थ वन. व्हाट विल हैपन इन ऑल इंसेक्ट्स ईटिंग बर्ड्स वर रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम अ पर्टिकुलर कॉर प्लांट एरिया. ये किसी कॉर प्लांट एरिया से इसको पूरे को हटा दे रहे हैं, इंसेक्ट्स को और ईटिंग बर्ड्स को. सो व्हाट विल बी हैपन? क्रॉप प्रोड्यूस विल इंक्रीज, इंसेक्ट्स infestation will increase, or increase in the number of other birds, or none of. So your answer will be B, insect infestation will increase. मतलब ये सारे increase होने चालू हो जाएंगे. So let us come the next one. That is the fifth part. Crows feed on grass. Its during is used to make dung cake, which are used as fuel. The burning of dung cake produces smoke that reaches the atmosphere, and the ash are mixed with soil. These adds nutrients for grass to grow. दिस प्रोसेस इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ. ये किसका एग्जाम्पल है ये बताना आपको. दैट इज द फूड चेन एग्जाम्पल, फूड वेब एग्जाम्पल और न्यूट्रिएंट साइकिल और लाइफ साइकिल. इट इज द न्यूट्रिएंट साइकिल, क्योंकि इसमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स ही चेंज हो रहे हैं, एक साइकिल से दूसरे साइकिल में पहुंच रहे हैं. नाउ द सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन. द फूड चेन इन द पॉन्ड, पॉन्ड की बात कर रहा है फूड चेन के. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द सम वाटर प्लांट्स दैट आर ईटन बाय सर्टेन फिशेस, those eaten by other existing finally to humans. This energy here from one trophic to level to another trophic will be which is, so that is the gradually decreases. ये हमेशा कम होना चालू हो जाएगा, क्योंकि सबसे नीचे प्लांट्स होंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा होंगे, उसके बाद जो जाएंगे उनके नंबर्स कम होने चालू हो जाते हैं. एंड एट द लास्ट दे आर अ वेरी लेस नंबर, सो ग्रेजुअली डिक्रीजेस. सो यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस वन. नाउ सेवंथ पार्ट. द नंबर ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म in a garden was estimated as 5, 5, 6, 7 grasses. It is a very large number. Now 4, 5, 3 shrubs, it is the less number. Now 23 trees, it is all less number हो गया. And these animals, 7769 animals, the primary productivity of this area will be nearly equal to, so it is biomass of all organisms of the garden, biomass of all plants of the garden, biomass of the animals of the garden, or biomass of the only 5, 5, 6, 7 grass. Not, it is the B is correct. So that one is the biomass of all the plants of the garden. I think you will be completed in your copy. So let us see the next one. So next one is this one. You can see here it is the given as the diagram level, so you can draw in your copy also the diagram. It is the trophic levels and the decomposers. What are the decomposers? Those animals who decompose the dead bodies into the soil, so that is called as decomposer, and they have a very uh, important part role in your ecosystem. Now the first trophic level, they are the plants as you see here. Now the second trophic level, that is the vegetarians, that means the herbivorous. And the third trophic level, that is the carnivorous, they eat the herbivorous. And the scavenger and the decomposer, scavenger is the top carnivorous. So this is the trophic levels and the decomposers you can draw in your copy. This level diagram I want to see in your copy. So whenever open the schools, so I will check in your copy. So this diagram must be in your copy. Now let us see what will the pyramid, as you have seen the Egypt, in Egypt, so many pyramids are there. And then it is the things to draw the diagram of our traffic levels. How can draw the diagram? So it is the done by the Charles Hilton. The name of this scientist, that is the Charles Hilton, who draw the our ecosystem in the form of pyramids. So many pyramids draw in this chapter. So the number of pyramids are in our chapter. So you can see the first pyramid. What is the this one? It is the pyramid of number of organisms in a food chain. इट इज द राइस फॉर्म. राइस फॉर्म में कैसे फूड चेन बनती है ये आपको समझाया गया है. सो देयर इज द ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑफ द फूड चेन ऑफ द राइस फॉर्म कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पिरामिड एज अंडर. ये पिरामिड की फॉर्म में आपको बना करके दिखाना है, कॉपी में भी बनाना है आपको, और इसको बाय हार्ट लर्न भी करना है क्योंकि एग्जाम में ये जरूर आते हैं. सो लेट अस एक्सप्लेन टू दिस वन. सो हियर सबसे लास्ट में आपको दिखाया, सबसे नीचे इन द बॉटम देयर आर द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स हियर. सो यू कैन काउंट हियर. It is the 10 lakh rice plants. That one is 10 lakhs rice plant. ये जो राइस प्लांट है ये 10 लाख के बराबर है लगभग. नियर अबाउट, इट इज द नियर अबाउट फॉर दिस. सो लेट अस सी what will be happen in this the next level. There is some rabbits are seen in this picture. So that is the second level, this one, and there are the 1,000 rabbits only. They eat the plants. These plants are eaten by these rabbits, and they are in less number, and that is the 1,000 approximate. These are the approximate data. So and the snakes are eaten to the rabbits, but they have only 50s, and this means it has very less number. And the havocs are very less, very less. It has only 5 for this plants. So that is the decreasing order like a pyramid. So you can make the pyramid and draw the diagram in your copy and write the pyramid of number for organisms in a food chain, and that is the rice form. इस राइस फॉर्म का बहुत ज़्यादा एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है बच्चों, इसलिए यू डोंट मिस दिस वन. सो यू हैव टू लर्न बाय हार्ट. Let us see the next one, what will be happen in your next. So you can see here which one, this one, pyramid of a number of organisms in a food web. राइस फॉर्म है, राइस फॉर्म में फूड वेब की फॉर्म में कैसे इसको फॉर्म करना है इस पिरामिड को. तो दैट इज द लेवल ऑफ दिस, फर्स्ट लेवल, सेकेंड लेवल, थर्ड लेवल, फोर्थ लेवल. सो यू कैन फाइंड द फोर्थ लेवल ट्रैफिक. सो इट इज गिवन हियर, it is this number and this number and always going to decrease here, you can see, and it is given in this first trophic level, that is this one, it is about, it is 15 lakhs. So 15 lakhs, this one 15 lakhs are converted into, this 15 lakhs are converted into this one. It is near about, it is 2 lakhs. So you can consider this one, it is 2 lakhs. Now it is 90,000. So you have to see here, it is third level, and now in the top only the 10, and it is the fourth level. Trophic levels is, that is trophic levels are given in the first trophic level, that is the 15,000, 15 lakhs, and now it is the first trophic level, and in second trophic level they are only 2 lakhs, and in the third trophic level that is the 90,000 only, and in the fourth trophic level they are very less, and that is the 10 only. So that is the pyramidal structure, and it can form in the form of like this box type. So here is 15 lakhs, 2 lakhs and 90,000 and 10. सो आप लोगों को ये सारी की सारी फिगर बनानी है, और इसी के बेसिस पे आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस करने पड़ते हैं. अपने एग्जाम में ये सब बहुत कुछ लिखना पड़ेगा, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप लोग ऐसे ही बच जाएंगे. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, so that is the necessary level diagram. So come to the next one. So there is a question, so you can write in your copy, this is the question and this one is your answer. So you have to write this one. A type of fungi is grow on a rice husk. We eat the fungi. Does it show a food chain? Illustrate the food chain and what is the source of energy for the food chain. So this is the answer. I told you. Now I read this. It is a man-made ecosystem. ये सब man-made है, ध्यान रखना है आपको. This one is man-made ecosystem. Why it is man-made? Because pond are making by the human bodies. So this is the man-made. Let us see. In this ecosystem, what will be happen? Microorganisms decompose the dead bodies. को ये डिकम्पोज कर देते हैं. डेड बॉडीज ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म, जितने भी ऑर्गेनिज्म डेड होते हैं सबको डिकम्पोज कर टू सिंपल प्रोडक्ट्स. ये सारे जितनी बॉडीज उनको डिकम्पोज करके सिंपल प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म करते हैं. एंड द प्रोडक्ट्स ऑब्टेन देयर फूड, और ये प्रोडक्ट जो है फूड की फॉर्म में ऑब्टेन हो जाते हैं. दीज आर नोन एज डिकम्पोजर्स. So these insects or these animals are called as decomposers. Those were whose microorganisms decompose the bodies. So they are called as decomposers. Now fungus known as mushroom. मशरूम को तो आप लोग अच्छी तरीके से जानते हैं. So mushroom which is used as food, जो कि फूड की तरह से यूज होती है, पर कहाँ उगती है ये तो पता है आप लोगों को. हाँ, विच इज यूज्ड एज फूड मटेरियल, इसको हम फूड मटेरियल की तरह से यूज करते हैं. इट्स रिप्रेजेंट्स अ सिंपल फूड चेन. ये एक सिंपल फूड चेन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. दैट इज द ट्रॉफिक लेवल. इट इज आल्सो शोज द ट्रॉफिक लेवल इन विच सन इज द मेन एनर्जी. सन से ये एनर्जी लेकर के दे मेक देयर ओन फूड. दो मेन, दैट मीन्स सन इज द मेन एनर्जी सोर्स. एंड इन द radiated energies, so it is given by the sun. Radiated energy is converted to chemical energy. रेडिएशन से जो एनर्जी मिल रही सन से वो सारी की सारी केमिकल एनर्जी कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. सो दैट इज द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन सेकंड. सो यू कैन राइट इन योर कॉपी. Let us see what will be this. This is the third question. So you have to write this answer. हाउ डज एनर्जी फ्लो इन एनी इकोसिस्टम. इकोसिस्टम में कैसी एनर्जी फ्लो हो रही है. एक्सप्लेन इन योर ओन वर्ड्स, अपने ओन वर्ड में एक्सप्लेन करना है. दिस इज ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, इट इज द 10% लॉ. इट इज ऑल्सो आस्क्ड बाय यू बाय द 10% लॉ. व्हाट इज द 10% लॉ? सो ऑलवेज नोन एज 10% law, which is given at the last of this answer. So yes, in an ecosystem plants or predecessor कैप्चर 1% ऑफ द सोलर एनर्जी। 1% सोलर एनर्जी कहां से लेते हैं? सोलर से, सन से लेते हैं। दे आर 1%। एंड टू कन्वर्ट द केमिकल एनर्जी, और ये सारे क्या करते हैं? केमिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं टू द फूड मटेरियल्स। फूड मटेरियल को केमिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं बाय द फोटोसिंथेसिस। दे मेक देयर ओन फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस। तो से बाय फोटोसिंथेसिस दे मेक देयर chemicals with the help of sun, with the help of sun, with the photosynthesis. Now plants utilize a 90% parts of the energy. इसका 90% utilize करते हैं हम to store in the form of food material. food material की फॉर्म में इसको स्टोर करते हैं for its metabolic में metabolic activities, and also release it out of the body. ये सबको इसको रिलीज भी करते हैं आउट ऑफ बॉडी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट। हीट की फॉर्म में ये रिलीज करते हैं इसको। रिमेनिंग 10% पार्ट इज एब्जॉर्ब। केवल 10% पार्ट ही एब्जॉर्ब हो पाती है बाय द प्राइमरी। किससे? प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर से। हु इज द प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स? those who make their own food, they are called as primary consumers. Now let us see what will be happen in this, in the form of which one? Stored food. This way primary consumers also utilize the 90% energy of 10, and the transfer release mainly 10%. ट्रांसफर हमेशा ध्यान रखना 10% का ही होता है। 10% पार्ट्स इज ट्रांसफर्ड। दे यूज 90% आल्सो, बट ट्रांसफर इज ओनली 10%। दिस ऑर्डर गोज ऑन इन द इकोसिस्टम। ये इकोसिस्टम में चला जाता है 10% लॉ। ओनली 10% एनर्जी इज ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम वन लेवल टू अनदर लेवल। एक लेवल से दूसरे लेवल में केवल 10% एनर्जी ही ट्रांसफर होती है। जितनी सर से एनर्जी ली गई सारे उसने कंज्यूम किया और अपने को ग्रो करने में लगाया, लेकिन जब नेक्स्ट वाले के पास पहुंचेगा सो केवल 10% ही पार्ट पहुंच पाता है। सो दैट इज द लॉ ऑफ 10%। सो दिस लॉ इज नोन एज 10% लॉ। इन योर एग्जामिनेशन ओनली दे आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द 10% लॉ एंड हाउ कैन एक्सप्लेन इन आवर इकोसिस्टम। सो यू कैन राइट दीज आंसर एंड very well, I think. Now let us, we are discussing about the pyramid. So let us start once again 4 pyramids. Now this pyramid is also, it is the energy through trophic levels, and that one is the 10% law. So you can draw this diagram with the question of this. इस क्वेश्चन के साथ ये डायग्राम भी ड्रॉ करना है। It is the 10% law also, 10% law. So you can draw the diagram with this question. इस क्वेश्चन के साथ ही इस डायग्राम को भी ड्रॉ करना है, not a simple. So it is the pyramidal structure for this 10% law. You can see here it is the 15,000. And what is the 15,000 10%? How can calculate it? So you can calculate is 15,000 and 10%, so 10 upon 100. So 0 will be cancelled out and this 0 will be cancelled out. So we get 1500. So 1500 is given here. Now what is the 10% of 1500? 15,000 10%. So you can write here like this. So 0 will be cancelled out and this 0 is also cancelled out. So we get only 150, that is 150. So it is given here. And now 10% of 150. So 150 10%. So you can calculate it like this. So 0 cancel with 0, this 0 is cancelled with this, and that is the 15. So you have to see this one. So there is 15. So this is the 10% law to transfer the energy. Always remember it is the transfer of energy, not to transfer of mass. So it is your transfer energy, that is the percentage of energy in trophic levels. So these are the trophic level. That is the first trophic level. It is your first trophic level, it is your second trophic level, and it is your third trophic level, and it is your fourth trophic level. तो फोर्थ ट्रैफिक लेवल में सबसे कम बच जाता है। ओके, यस, नाउ सी दिस। ये चैप्टर अभी स्टार्ट है आप लोगों का, और अगले वीडियो में हम लोग दोबारा मिलेंगे। तब तक इस वीडियो का इंतजार करिए। इससे पहले ये वीडियो मैं चालू करूं, इससे पहले आप लोग नीचे एक लाल बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे और ज़्यादा ज़्यादा शेयर करेंगे। जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, मेरे वीडियो डालते ही तुरंत उनको ये सेकंड पार्ट मिल जाएगा, और जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है उनको सेकंड पार्ट जब मैं डालूंगा तब जा करके आपको मिलेगा। तो सब्सक्राइब करने का आप लोग फायदा उठाएं ज़्यादा ज़्यादा, और ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करें जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फायदा हो सके। इसी के साथ मैं आर.एस. प्रसाद सर आज इसी पे समाप्त करता हूँ इसको, और लेसन का अगली बार हम इंतजार करेंगे। और तब तक के लिए